Hi everyone, today I'll be talking about the International Court of Justice, commonly referred as the ICJ. This principle of judicial organ of the United Nations play a crucial role in international law. What is ICJ? ICJ stands for the Court of Justice, established in 1945 by the Charter of the United Nations. Begins its work in 1946. The court is located in Hague, Netherlands, and serve as the key mechanism for resolving disputes between states and providing advisory opinions on international legal questions. Structures and function. The ICJ composed of 15 judges elected to 9-year terms by United Nations General Assembly and Security Council. These judges must represent the principal legal systems of the world and ensure a broad geographical representation. The ICJ has two main functions. First, contentious cases. This involves legal disputes between states and that have consented to the court's decision in these cases are binding. Second, advisory opinion. These are non-binding opinion on legal questions referred to the court by authorized UN organs and specialized in notable cases and examples. The Nicaragua case, 1986 to 1980. One of the most notable contentious case was the Nicaragua versus United States, Nicaragua abroad case against United States for illegal support of rebel groups and mining its slave harbor. The ICJ ruled in favor of Nicaragua, finding that U.S. had violated international law. This case underscored the court's role in addressing issues of state sovereignty and non-intervention. Second, the advisory opinion on the legality of threat or use of nuclear weapon, 1996. 1996, the ICJ provided advisory opinion on whether the threat or use of nuclear weapon was permissible under international concluded that the threat or use of nuclear weapon would generally be contrary to the rules of international law applicable in armed conflict. However, it could not definitely rule out legality of use of nuclear weapon in extreme circumstances of self-defense. This opinion highlighted ICJ influence one of issues global securities and humanitarian law. For the current relevance, the ICJ continue to play a virtual role in contemporary international relations. For example, ongoing case of the Gambia versus Myanmar involve allegations of genocide against the Rohingya people. This case demonstrates the ICJ's ongoing relevance in addressing human rights violations and maintain international peace and security. In conclusion, the International Court of Justice is a cornerstone of the international legal system through its contentious cases and advisory opinions. It upholds rule of law, resolving disputes between the states and provide guidance on complex legal questions. Understanding ICJ's work helps us to appreciate the mechanism in place for maintaining international order and justice. Thank you for your attention.